Hi guys, it's Alexis on Alexis and Trenton. What are we doing? And today I'm making a slime. I got this off of Pinterest and I decided to make it for you guys. And if you're wondering what this slime is called, it's called Oobleck. I made it at my school before. So we're just gonna make it, and yeah, you might, if you want to, you can either make this outside because it's a messy thing. And you can put a tarp down, but you might want to ask your parents first. And I just threw on an old t-shirt. So if you're wondering where I'm at, I'm in my basement. We have this like bar in the back, which in our basement. So just don't mind the messy background. And if you hear anything upstairs, that's my mom walking around or the dogs. And if you hear any clicky things down here, my brother's playing Xbox over there. So I'm going to show you what you need, and if the lighting looks a little weird, not saying it looks weird, not saying it's the best in every video, but I got like these 3 bright lights shining towards me. So I'll just show you what you need. You will need a measuring cup, which is 1 cup. You can see 1 cup. You only need 1 measuring cup. Then you'll need like a mixer. I'm just using an old one, so yeah. And then these are the things you'll need, and then I got one optional thing. You'll need cornstarch, any brand, just cornstarch. And then you will need a mixing bowl, which this is 3.5 quarts or whatever, or that's just what it says on that. And then that is all the stuff you'll need to make this. And I'm just adding some food coloring, so it's not an ugly white. So let's get started. Okay, so you need 2 cups of cornstarch. So I'm just gonna get it right out and open it. This might be 1 cup. There's me. This is what I saw, so just pour it. This might just be. Oh my gosh, that's close to 1 cup, I guess. Oh, 1. Okay. Oh gosh. Just to let you know, I will be cleaning up afterwards. Oh gosh. Should have brought a rag. Okay. Oh, we got cleaning legs. Okay, that's just like went everywhere. Oh well. So now, next you will need 1 cup of water. Let me go rinse this out. And then you get 1 cup of water. Okay. Cup. Well, see you then. Okay, so I got my cup of water. Now I'm gonna add some pink food coloring, which it doesn't look like we got a lot. So we got some blue. I'm gonna do pink just cause we can just, I'm gonna do blue. Purple. I never seen purple Oobleck. Well, I never seen anyone make it, so we're just gonna add like a few drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn my finger purple. I'm gonna get a napkin while that sesame. Okay, so I added about 6 drops food coloring. That might be too much. I don't know. So we're gonna pour it in and we're gonna stir. I'm gonna get up like this. Oh, my hair in the way. Let me put it at the back. Okay, so we're gonna take the water, and then we're gonna I have no clue if I'm doing this right. And you want to get the consistency or whatever it is of the Oobleck. So I'll see you when it's ready. Okay, so it might not look purple in the lighting. It's purple, and I had to go mix it with my hands, and I had to add a little bit of water, so it might not be the consistency or whatever, how you say it, that you wanted, because not everything was mixing with just with the 1 cup, and it's not technically just a solid or technically just a liquid, because when you pick it up or squeeze it, it's a solid, but when you let it go, it's a liquid, and it's really cool. And Trenton was supposed to come over today. We were gonna go Beanie Boo hunting. That's a new series or something that we're gonna be doing. I don't know if it's gonna be on his channel or mine, but we will be doing that. So yeah. Yeah, and he was supposed to do this with me today. You might just make it. So we're not going to do a video of us doing this together. This was supposed to be a DIY or a DI don't for our channel, but it is still doing, and it's a DIY for sure. Because it's fun. It's fun just to experiment, and it's so fun to play with. Okay, I know my hair looks messy, but I'm still playing. Okay, my hands are messy. But this was a video on our series, on our channel. Is it a DIY or a DI don't? This is definitely a DIY. It's just fun to play with. Ooh. And it did get really messy, as you saw in the video. So I want to tell you that in the Christmas haul with Trenton, in my Christmas Eve hauls, in my Christmas haul by myself, and the one with Trenton, we did not say, we are not trying to brag in any shape or form. We are not. I rewatched him and I'm like, oh no, I forgot to say it. So I decided to make this video and just add it into this video. We weren't trying to brag at all. I mean, it's not good for anyone to brag about what they got. And I do experience bragging from friends that like they got something or something. But does it hurt me? No, and I don't. But just letting you guys know, we were not trying to brag, and yeah, we weren't trying to brag at all. And sorry if you felt a little hurt in the video, but we weren't trying to brag. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what videos I should do, what videos Trenton should do, and what videos we should do together. We love you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye. Just a little announcement. Probably Wednesday, Trenton's mom is my sister Brittany, my sister, and Trenton are probably going to come pick me up. We might go to Build-A-Bear, and we might go Beanie Boo hunting, and we got a little song for that. So hopefully I can make Trenton send it to me somehow, so I can upload it on here in case you guys don't go to his channel, so you know about Beanie Boo hunting. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. We love you. Bye.